Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm here at Bedok Reservoir Road. We are seeing a 4-room corner S model with a size of 84 square meter at block 150. Come, let's take a look at the unit. Walk to Kaki Bukit MRT downtown line from block 150. Close to neighborhood center, 630 market and food center. Fast food outlets, KFC and McDonald's. Daily conveniences, shops and coffee shop right below the block. Rare corner unit in this cluster, where 4-room simplified models are mainly corridor units. Being a corner unit, the house offers good privacy upon entry. Features with broken marble tiles flooring throughout the hall and bedrooms. Kitchen renovated with floor and wall tiles, fitted with built-in carpentry cabinets leading to common bathroom at the rear. Faces north, enjoying a pleasant breeze during the northeast monsoon season. Comprises spacious living and dining area, 3 bedrooms, a kitchen, 2 bathrooms and a storeroom. Front bedroom fits a queen's bed, built-in wardrobe and study desk. The other common bedroom is spacious enough for a queen's bed. Master bedroom is large plus an attached bathroom. Space for a queen's bed with a built-in wardrobe. The lease began in 1988, providing a longer remaining lease. Finally, this home ideal for first-timers or growing families seeking comfortable living space and just walk to Kaki Bukit downtown line MRT and nearby neighborhood town center. So, if you have been looking for a corner unit and convenient in the Bedok Reservoir area, feel free to give me a call for a viewing today. I will see you in the next video.